So now we have to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Earlier we got the sum and the product of roots of a quadratic polynomial. But now we have to find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials. Basically we have to find alpha and beta. How do we do that? We do that by splitting the middle term right here. Now how do we do that? We first find the coefficients a, b and c of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So you have the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a stands for 1, b stands for -2, c stands for -8. And now that's why we have written a is 1, b is -2, c is -8. Now we find the product of the a and c coefficients. That is the first coefficient and the last one, a and c. So that will give us 1 into -8. 1 into -8, which is -8. Now let us factorize -8, or just 8 for that matter. We get 2 into 2 into 2, which will give 8. We have to make two groups, just two groups, because we are going to split it into how many parts? Two parts. So essentially two groups will make. So first group I have made it like this, second group is like this. Let us multiply the numbers in each group. 2 2s are 4, and let's put a minus sign to it. It becomes -4, and this is just 2. -4 plus 2 will give -2. Let's go over this again. Two groups. Multiply the numbers in the groups separately. 2 2s are 4, and this is just 2, and assign a suitable minus sign on any one group because it has a negative sign attached to it. So I put minus on the 4 there, became -4 plus 2 became -2. So we can verify that we are getting this particular -2 here. The end goal of grouping is to get the middle term, which is -2. So we've got it. So we can split -2 as -4 and +2. So let us do that. Plus 2x minus 4x. Right? So now let us common out. We have one x common here, and inside another x will remain because there's a x square. X into x, x square, plus x into 2, 2x. We can verify like this. And then let us common out -4. -4 is common. -4 into x will give us -4x. -4 into 2 will give -8. So let us common out further x plus 2 and x plus 2, which is a factor in both of these terms. Let us pull it out. So x plus 2, and what remains is x minus 4. So clearly we have obtained two factors of the quadratic polynomial, and we have to equate each factor to 0 so that we can let us take x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 is sent to the other side. It becomes -2. X is equal to -2 is the alpha. That is the first 0. The second 0 will be x minus 4 is equal to 0. Send it to the other side. X is equal to 4. This is beta. So as we have written, alpha is equal to -2, beta is equal to 4. With practice, you will get how to group them into two different parts such that they will add up integer wise to give the middle term. Here we got -4 from the first group, 2 from the next group, and -4 plus 2 became -2, which is the middle term. And which number do we have to factorize? We have to factorize AC, that is the first and the last number, 1 into -8. 1 into -8. So we are factorizing -8 there basically. Thank you children. I hope you find it easier.